Namaskar. Tell me, have you been feeling tired in spite of having a good sleep? Or maybe your mood shift for no reason. You forget small things or feel a strange tingling in your hands or feet. These little signs may actually be symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is unlike most other vitamins. Plants don't make it. It is actually produced by certain beneficial bacteria found in soil, water, and in the guts of healthy animals. To get it, humans traditionally consume food containing or fermented by these bacteria. But today, with over-hygiene, constant sanitization, packaged food with very little direct contact with nature, these bacteria struggle to survive in our surroundings. And for those living as a vegetarian lifestyle, natural B12 sources are already limited. That's why B12 deficiency is now surprisingly common, even among young active people. That's why you must turn to vegetarian, bacteria-rich fermented food to maintain your B12 levels. But before I guide you to 5 unique methods to increase your vitamin B12, let me help you understand the common symptoms of B12 deficiencies. The first symptom of B12 deficiency is that you may feel tired even after full night rest. Next, your mood can swing without reason. Anxiety, irritability, or low moods become very common. Third is tingling or numbness in hands. This may occur due to weakened nerve health. Another symptom is that you may forget things, struggle to focus, or feel mental fog. And next, we have somewhat more obvious symptom like your skin looking pale or hair may thin and nails may become brittle. These aren't just minor discomfort. B12 is crucial for making red blood cells, protecting nerves, and keeping your brain health healthy and mood healthy. Ignoring these signs can affect your well-being for years. Now let's look at 5 plant-based remedies to boost B12. First, we have Pazham Kanji, which is rich in natural probiotic that improve digestion and nutrient absorption. This is essential for making the most of the B12 you get from food. It also cools the body and keeps your gut and environment healthy. To make this, what you have to do is take leftover cooked rice, rinse slightly and soak it overnight in a clay pot in clean water. By morning, this becomes gently sour, a sign that friendly bacteria have become alive. Add salt before eating. It is cooling, gut friendly, and an ancient way to support nutrient absorption. Next is Beet and Carrot Kanji, a probiotic drink with a punch of color. This supports healthy bacteria, improves iron absorption, and helps your body carry oxygen more efficiently, which means better energy throughout the day. Slice beet and carrot into thin sticks. Add crushed mustard seed, a pinch of salt, and a water in a glass jar. Keep it in sunlight for 2 days. The liquid turns into a deep pink and develops a natural fizz. Sip a small glass before lunch or use it as a side drink. It's refreshing and keeps your gut bacteria thriving. Next, let's look at milk-based products. Fresh homemade curd, chash, or paneer can be your daily gut support. Always consume them fresh and never heat them, so the friendly bacteria would stay alive. Then we have sauerkraut, fermented cabbage with a tangy twist. It's packed with probiotics, vitamin C, and enzymes that help your body process and absorb nutrients better. It also adds variety and a satisfying texture to your meals. To make it, shred cabbage, sprinkle with salt, and massage until it releases water. Pack tightly into a jar and let ferment for 4 to 7 days. Serve as a crunchy side dish with dal, chawal, or paratha. Finally, a rare fruit source of B12, sea buckthorn berries. Unlike most fruits, which have a little to no vitamin B12, sea buckthorn berries are a unique exception. Vitamin B12 is a vitamin that is almost not found in plant, and if it is present, it is produced from its precursor in the plant by microorganism. A study found that sea buckthorn berries contain a predominantly active form of vitamin B12 with only a small amount of inactive form. In fact, the sea buckthorn berry tested contain more than 98% bioactive vitamin B12. If you can find fresh or dried sea buckthorn berry, soak a tablespoon overnight. In the morning, blend them with 4 soaked almonds, 2 soaked walnuts, and a cup of water or fresh coconut water. A result is tangy, nutrient-rich that supports your body's B12 needs while protecting your nerves and boosting vitality. Vitamin B12 may be small, but without it, your energy, focus, and mood may fade. In past, nature quietly gave us B12 through living foods. Today, we need to bring those foods back to fermented grains, fresh dairies, gut-friendly vegetables, and supported plants. When your digestion is peaceful, your meals are alive with friendly microbes and your life is balanced. Your body naturally restores its strength. So don't just eat food that is alive. Namaskar.